As you have seen the video title and thumbnail, so we are going to make a manual software.
A few moments later.
So the software name will be Hacker's Girlfriend. So the first question arises in your mind: what does this Hacker's Girlfriend do? What kind of software is it? Is it useful or not? So I'll explain you step by step in this video. By giving you an example, you will be able to understand how this software works. Suppose you are having a company named as XYZ, and on a particular day your CEO is absent. So you want to send a message to your CEO. So you will text a message regarding your credit card number or credit card number of your company, anything else you will send to your CEO as a text form. So the message is a readable message. Anyone can read that message and hack the message and get into your company account and anything. It will be a great loss or it will be a threat to your company. So as to prevent all the threat of your companies, we will make a software. So how does this software work? This software works, it gonna encrypt and decrypt the messages. How it gonna encrypt and decrypt the message? Suppose you are the owner of the company, your company name is XYZ, and what do you want to send? You want to send credit card number, it's 45, and data will be set to one person only, and the form will be encrypted form. So when you click on the show message, it will be in encrypted form. So this message is not readable message. A normal person cannot read this message. So when this message is received by the CEO, what he gonna do? He gonna write the company name over here and he will paste the encrypted message over here, and the data will be 1 and form will be decrypted. D means decrypted. So the message is readable right now. This message was not able to read by the simple or a normal person. Now the message is in the readable form. So what I am trying to convey from this video, I am trying to convey that we can secure our messages so that anyone cannot read, a normal person cannot read, and it can prevent your loss of information also. I'm going to teach you how to make this software step by step.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.